Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is Bubsbee and I have another hair tutorial, a hairstyle, a kid's hairstyle, but this is a cute hairstyle for adults as well. I'm just going to be showing you guys my techniques, what I like to do to achieve this gorgeous protective style. If you like this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's just keep on watching. I do want to mention that this video is being sponsored by Trey Lux, and yeah, let's move forward. So I'm starting off freshly cleansed and conditioned hair. I showed you all in the last video. If you haven't checked that out, it's on my channel now. But I am going in to part her hair right now. You can see it's very easy and simple to do because I have a conditioner on top. And I'm using that untie the not leaving conditioner. It's an amazing all-in-one conditioner. It's going to moisturize, revitalize the curls, soften, nourish the hair from inside out. So you can see how amazing that conditioner is because I'm getting very straight and clean parts right now. And that's what I like when it comes to braided styles. I want clean and neat parts. I try to make them as neat as possible. I take a fine-tooth comb, have a good conditioner, and I just part away. My first part is from ear to ear. Then I'm actually going to part that front section in half, but it's not going to be evenly in half. It's going to be one bigger side to a smaller side. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now I'm actually going in to perfect my first part, my first section that I'm actually going to braid upward because I'm going to be doing a braided updo. So when it comes to parting, you want to take your time, and also you need a really good comb. You really do need a good comb. And another technique I love to use to ensure that I'm getting clean and straight parts is that I actually twist that section upon itself, and it's kind of like a flat twist, but it will emphasize a crooked part in the quickness. All right, so that saves me some time and that ensures that I'm getting my clean part. So you can see in the front, I'm trying to create that last section in the front so I can braid 3/4 of her head to one side. So I'm going to be braiding her hair up to one side. Now, since I have my parts ready to go, I'm going to start to detangle the section I'm actually going to braid. I'm going to be using 2 additional products today. I'm going to be using the Curl Supreme first because this is a thicker, rich, moisturizing hair cream. So I'm going to apply that generously to the section, and then I'm going to apply a little bit, not too much, of the high definition. Now this is actually a gel, and this is going to make the section more movable and more flexible, and it's going to define the curls and give the hair great shine. Now it's time to braid. Now when it comes to braiding upward, my daughter, she has to turn around. She has to flip around because I typically sit down and do her hair. I don't stand up. To each his own. All right, this works. This has been working for us. So she turns around and then I can braid her hair upward. And as you can see, I'm taking my time. I'm going very slow. I'm not going too fast. I'm just grabbing hair and braiding and cornrowing. All right, you have 3 sections and you braid underneath. That's just how I braid. And I grab sections as I go while I am braiding. That's pretty much what I do. I hope this video helps in any way. Let me know if you have any questions when it comes to kids hairstyling or cornrows, anything at all. Just leave it down below. So the Curl Supreme, like I said, it's an hydrating cream, and it was created to moisturize, protect, and fortify the hair strands. It's going to give you a supple, soft hold. I like to use this on her protective styles because it's made with natural butters and oils and active botanicals to give me the right amount of slip, moisture, a lasting moisture. And that's what we need when it comes to protective styles. As for that high definition, it's a great curl definer, and it's going to cause the curls to take shape, providing that long-lasting curl definition, shine, giving you a great upper hand when you want to fight frizz. All right, I'm in the Florida heat. It's hot. All right, this is a great product to use if you do get a lot of frizz. So this gives a great hold and maintains moisture. So I do like to use this while I am protective styling because I want that shine. I want those braids to last. I want the style to hold. And this is a great product to use. As you can see, I'm going to continue to braid her hair upward. I'm going to part the sections. I'm doing about medium-sized sections and then cornrow her hair. And as you can see, the back is completely done. Now I'm going to work on the front. That front section I parted off, I'm going to do those same parts. I'm going to do curved parts to one side. And like I said, I'm doing medium-sized sections. Now we've come to the last braid and we're done. Now it's time to two-strand twist. Now the rest of her hair that is out on this one side, I'm just going to be doing two-strand twist. Some twists I braided first and then I two-strand twist. It doesn't really matter. Braiding the hair about an inch down, then two-strand twisting helps the section stay a lot neater and crisp at the roots. So it's up to you on what you prefer, but either way, it's still gonna come out cute. Her hair is super soft and supple and juicy with these products, so I'm loving how the hairstyle is turning out. And the look is complete. Using some great and amazing products, you can achieve any style you like. Let me know down below what you thought of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you want to see from me, and I will see you all in the next one.